Hello my friend, my name is Heri from grade 12 Mechanical Engineering of Vocational High School 36 Jakarta. On this occasion, I want to tell you how to sharpen HSS lathe tools. To sharpen HSS lathe tools, we need some materials. What are they? We need HSS size 100 times 20 times millimeters, coolant oil, an eyeglass protector, and the bench grinder. First, we have to wear an eyeglass protector to protect our eyes from sparks. And the second, we should turn on the switch to connect the electricity. Number 8. And the third step, we have to switch the button on. Next, we can start to drill. We begin from the side cutting edge angle. Hold it like this.
We have to make sure to touch it and grindstone as possible as we can. We must make the side edge to edge 10 degrees and 1 faces. Don't hold it too strong because it can short it.
The result like this. Next, we have to make side rectangle.
We have to make the side 12 to 20 degrees and 1 faces. Sharpen it careful so the side cutting is not stretched out.
The result like this. Next, we have to make front clearance angle.
We have to make the side to 30 degrees and 1 faces. If the HSS feels too hot, you must dip it in cutting oil to reduce the heat.
The result like this. HSS lathe tools is ready to use. That's all the procedure how to sharpen HSS lathe tools. I hope you can do it like I did.